Long ago, beside the endless desert, stood a magnificent golden temple. Its brave queen ruled not with fear, but with kindness. But one afternoon, the sky began to change.
A massive sandstorm swept across the kingdom.
When the winds finally stopped, she saw the real danger.
But the queen knew exactly what to do.
The temple had guardians no one had seen for 1,000 years.
Clear the path and save the water.
The ancient guardians marched toward the impossible task.
But the rocks were enormous. And the river came rushing back. The kingdom was safe once again. But deep beneath the desert, something had just awakened.